EANTC is a member of the i14 VIALab consortium. As an independent test lab and consultancy, we have co-hosted 3 joint TIP and O-RAN Alliance interoperability PlugFests so far. In the i14 VIALab in Berlin, we validate multi-vendor interoperability, performance, scalability, manageability, and security aspects of Open RAN solutions. Specifically, we focus on end-to-end solutions based on O-RAN Alliance standards. The scenario showcased here is a quite complex end-to-end test setup. Enabled by VIAVI as the test loop provider, we emulated user equipment and 5G core, creating a bracket test around the disaggregated solutions from Node Edge and Accelleran, forming the radio unit, distributed unit, and centralized unit in the O-RAN reference standard. The successful test proved that the F1 interface between the centralized and distributed units is multi-vendor ready, supporting key 5G radio functionality. Our EANTC team was able to execute the test efficiently with the help of the VIAVI TM500 UE Emulator and the VIAVI TerraVM 5G Core Emulator.
We were glad to have the joint European O-RAN Alliance and TIP PlugFest Fall 2022 at the i14 VIALab in Berlin. The i14 VIALab is a community effort of 11 partners wanting to accelerate time to market for disaggregated components like O-RAN. We believe that to make O-RAN a reality, we need to work together and define a common ground. Great progress was made during the PlugFest, as you will see in a moment. And this shows that we can be confident that together we can make this work.
O-RAN Alliance Fall PlugFest 2022 showcased the end-to-end testing and automation in an O-RAN multi-vendor environment. This partnership proves the value of O-RAN testing and automation, showing that automation is helping to drive efficiency and how cost-effective test solutions are vital to minimizing risk in deployment, ultimately saving costly redeployment. This demonstration showcase is helping to troubleshoot performance issues remotely in the lab before deploying in the field. The setup will focus on demoing end-to-end performance and functional testing using the EANTC Automation framework, the VIAVI TM500 network tester for UE emulation, the Node ORU and ODU, the Accelleran O-CU, and the VIAVI TerraVM Core Emulator.
So the Node H is being used here in connection with the Accelleran CU and RIC in order to show full data rates against the VIAVI TM500. The Node H low-cost combined DU-RU provides an O-RAN experience in a robust and fully featured cell.
Here you can see the dashboard of our CU-UP and CU-CP implementation together with the functionality of the RIC that you can see, for instance, on the left in the bottom part for the XApps deployments. So our CU is a cloud-native application, so we don't need to turn it on or off. It is server-like, always active, and as soon as we turned on the Node H cell, it automatically connected to the CU that made the link to the core and activated the radio. And these Wi-Fi symbols that you see, they indicate that basically all systems are up and running, and the cell is now ready to receive UE connectivity from the TM500 simulator.
We have already our core up and running. So this is our core from VIAVI, and it's been up and running and it's connected to CU. We are using the VIAVI TM500 as our UE emulator in this scenario. We have multiple campaigns created here, and these campaigns will be kickstart using EANTC Test Orchestrator.
EANTC Test Orchestrator aims to ensure continuous testing in a vendor-neutral environment by automating as many Open RAN defined test cases as possible. This way, the interoperability solution will be tested efficiently and accurately in minimum amount of time, closing the gap towards production readiness of Open RAN technology. For now, we do offer end-to-end functional and performance suite.
This is where we run the test cases. Firstly, add the test run, example end-to-end scenario, and then you can add each of the test cases. Then run those test cases, and you can see the progress of them running in the progress bar. As you can see here, all 3 test cases have been run, executed and passed. You can then go to show results and see the results of the test cases one by one. This demonstration was successful in the remote and automated validation of end-to-end interoperability with a split 2 multi-vendor scenario between Node H, RU and DU and the Accelleran O-CU O-RAN solution, benefiting the telecoms industry by supplying pre-integrated remote solution for rapid lab and deployment on an online network, validating remote integration in the i14Y lab with zero touch on-site vendor support.
As part of the upcoming work in the i14Y lab, we are now preparing for the next O-RAN Alliance Spring PlugFest. Multi-vendor radio optimization using RIGs and XZEPs RFs will be one of the major focus areas. Throughout this year, our plan is to move to continuous automated testing and to onboard multiple TIP and O-RAN Alliance certification schemes.
VIAVI offers the most comprehensive test suite on the market for lab validation of O-RAN networks, with vast experience validating network products for operators and manufacturers worldwide. VIAVI allows testing of any node, ORU, ODU, O-CU, RIC and Core, and complete end-to-end testing to be performed on-premise, in the cloud or as a service. Our end-to-end 5G portfolio can support our customers through the Open RAN development cycle, from functional to performance testing.